Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.